Hi, this is the D, and welcome to this video. I decided to do a unboxing of a watch I just got from Hong Kong. This is actually my first video, but I watch a lot of watch videos and decided to share this with everyone. I just got this in. It's a GW-B5600. It's the black version. And excuse me while I get this opened. I also ordered a J&K's bull bars to go with this. And let's see what this is going to end up looking like. So here we go. I bought this off of eBay. Let's see here. GW-B5600-BC. This has the new style combi bracelet. And I've got a J&K's set of bull bars to go with it here. I'll just get this ready so when I'm ready I can pop this thing on. And let's take a look at this manual. I like how they bubble wrapped everything. And it comes in the standard G-Shock tin. Here it is. It's a beauty. I like the all blacked out version. That's kind of why I got it. This version is Bluetooth, so it syncs to the it'll sync to the iPhone, to my iPhone. And I've already got the app. Actually, I guess I can't really sync it to my iPhone because I'm recording this on my iPhone. So there we have it. There's the day, date function, world time. So one of the nice features about this is it's got the world time with 2 time zones. And you can program, I think, up to 5 of your own time zones. And it also has time zones that are already, I think, pre-programmed via the app. The alarm, stopwatch, time alarm, and then back to the day date. So let's see what this looks like with the J&K's bull bars. And there you have it. Kind of a nice blackened out tactical look to it. Wristwatch check. I'm wearing another G-Shock. It's a, I don't know if you really see it. It's a I believe 9300. Or no, this is the G9000 blacked out military version. I have a liking for those. Show you this one as a treat. This is just a basic DW 5600. but I put the combi, the kind of the older style combi bracelet on it with some J's and K's bull bars, and it's actually one of my favorite watches now. I also put the I ordered a blackened out bezel for this watch. Kind of like the way it looks. We can contrast the both of these. This is the new one, and this is just a basic GW-5600. So there you have it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in future videos.